3D printing is revolutionizing home goods, but how do creators protect their innovations? We're diving straight into intellectual property strategies. Protecting 3D printed home goods requires a multifaceted IP approach to cover both function and aesthetics. The rise of 3D printing means consumer goods are easier to innovate and manufacture, making IP protection more critical than ever. Intellectual property is crucial for creators to maintain exclusivity, control distribution, and monetize their unique designs. Our first strategy is the cornerstone of protecting functional inventions, patent protection. Utility patents protect the functional aspects and the how behind your 3D printed object, such as a new mechanism or unique assembly method. Design patents focus on the aesthetic, ornamental look of your home goods, ensuring others can't copy the visual appearance. Next up is copyright, which offers a different layer of protection, particularly for artistic elements. Copyright protects the original artistic or literary work embodied in a 3D design, especially the underlying digital file or the decorative elements. However, copyright generally does not extend to the functional aspects of an item. If it's purely utilitarian, you'll need patents. Strategy number 3 is trade dress, protecting the overall presentation of your product. Trade dress protects the overall total image and feel of your product packaging, configuration, or appearance that identifies the source. For protection, you must establish that the trade dress has acquired secondary meaning, that consumers recognize the look and feel as belonging specifically to your brand. Our final strategy is utilizing trade secrets for confidential information. Trade secrets are key for protecting proprietary design files, unique materials used, or specific manufacturing parameters that give you a competitive edge. Crucially, implement strong non-disclosure agreements or NDAs with anyone handling your sensitive design files or processes to maintain secrecy. Protecting your IP is only half the battle. Enforcement presents its own set of challenges, especially in the digital space. You must actively police online marketplaces, file repositories, and digital distribution channels to swiftly remove unauthorized copies of your designs or products. Consider licensing models, where you grant others the right to print your designs under specific terms, turning potential infringement into a revenue stream. To wrap up, let's summarize the optimal IP strategy for 3D printed home goods. The most effective protection often involves a mix: patents for function, copyright for artistic elements, and trade dress for brand recognition. Stay vigilant and adaptive. Continuous monitoring and a proactive legal strategy are essential to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of 3D printing intellectual property.